How to fix Echoes of Aincrad is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. In the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and open up your browser. Now you will need to navigate to this link, which is in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them. This will require a computer restart when you're done. So right after restarting your computer, all you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU update. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. And from there you can download and install the latest available driver update. Now all you need to do is run the game, but just launch Steam as admin before doing that. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from the library, and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.